What's going on, guys? Travis Fishing here. We're fishing on a new boat, but the only problem is this motor is a pile and it's not really working too well. So we're in Stoughton right now, just throwing jigs and stuff, letting the current take us. But we don't have an anchor, which is kind of a problem also. So you have to fish kind of fast and get in and out of spots.
Oh, I have a fish.
You do?
Oh, it just came off.
Sure you had one?
Yeah, that's a nasty meat on before though.
Oh, nasty backlash too.
I'll grab the paddle. Oh no. Hey, can we just fish? I'm gonna need some paddles.
Got one. Fish. Nice one. Good one, dude.
Flip it in.
Dude, I saw its wake and it smoked it. Yes, first fish on a jig of the year, boys. Oh, yes, I got that on camera. Yes. So right here, Shrub got his jig stuck in a tree. And I saw a little.
Caught that? It's because I pulled us in with the tree.
Yeah, so you can kind of give a shout out to Shrub.
Shout out to RIP Jig. You know,
I don't know. Do we weigh it?
No.
You don't? Okay. Just caught it literally right here. I saw a wake. He came out and pummeled it. So here's a nice one for you. Good release on him. There he goes. Okay, well now we're like in this tree.
Nothing wrong with in the tree.
You know what? I'm gonna throw a spinnerbait. There's a lot of lilies over there. I wish I would have brought my topwater bag or my box. But I'm gonna pick up a spinnerbait for a second. See if they want to move and bait right in front of their face. I'm just throwing a little chartreuse spinnerbait quick. I don't know. It is. I mean, you can see the bottom. It is not. Oh, I have one following it.
Oh, it's northern.
There's a northern.
Muskie.
Here, let me figure it.
I swear that's a muskie, bro. That's a little muskie.
I had a little. There's a little muskie sitting right here that was following it.
Totally see that.
And he's still there. He's still there. And I'm just gonna figure it. I don't think he wants it. He's looking at it though. Here, I'm gonna throw it back, like right. I don't think he wants it.
I think did he leave?
No, he's under that little tree. I don't think he wants it. He followed it literally straight up to the boat. I think he definitely saw the boat. He's literally sitting under a branch right in front of us.
Oh, guys, he's trying to take our spot. Oh, I see the follow. Oh, no.
Really?
Yeah, someone just followed it up.
He's still there. Honestly? Should I just flip it right in front of him?
Flip it right in front of him.
You want to flip in there and just see if you can catch him? You see where he is? He's right there. Yeah, I don't know if he'll bite again.
I don't see him.
Oh, he's got it! Dude! He literally ran up right next to it.
Well, he said he got it, and I didn't see it.
Oh, dude, he's literally right there. I see him. Here. Here, let me grab mine. Let me see if I can catch him. He's sitting literally right under the log right there. Oh, he's coming out. He's looking at it. Leave it there. Hop it a little. Oh. I can't really see him. These aren't polarized. He's right there, though. Oh! I don't know if you guys can see that. He's literally right there. Dude, he's got it. Set the hook. Yes!
Oh, man.
Okay, so this little tiny northern.
Chill.
I was gonna throw in there with my jig and catch it, but Shrub hasn't caught a fish yet. So here, hold that up, Shrub.
Weird girth thing. Look at his gill.
Oh,
I'm just gonna put him back in the water.
his gill like popped out.
That
Shrub, what do you gotta say?
was crazy and that was gross. Just the gill was just.
The gill is literally hanging out of it, but
I felt so bad for him. He fell and just slime got everywhere.
yeah, I know. But I drew that fish all the way up and shoved through his jig in there, and he's hopping it, and I saw him literally eat it right in front of me, and he completely, like, he smoked it. That's kind of sketchy, though, considering that there's... Got one?
Yep.
Sharp's got one. Oh, he's got a nice one. He's got a good one.
Oh, both of them.
Both of them! Oh, dude, that's like a 3-pounder.
That's not 3. That's like maybe a 2. Fish.
Where'd you get it? Under the tree again?
See how there's a log, like, in between
Right there?
us and that tree? No. Straight up the
This
tree.
one?
Like, yeah, see that one? Around the edge, I brought it up over, it fell down, he ate it on the fall, bro. Check it out.
Well, we've already caught, what, 3 fish?
Missed a couple.
Yeah, missed 1 or 2 fish. I should have
It
2.
was right on the fall.
I know, that's what happened with mine. I literally popped it, and I felt a thump thump right as it was in there. We've had so much good luck in here, and we're definitely going to be coming back here soon. What?
Jigs are
Yeah,
killing it.
jigs are literally the juice out in Stoughton. I don't know what it is, but literally you will catch tons of fish on Lake Eganza with jigs. And that literally shows you how much draw power a spinnerbait has. Because this water is pretty murky, but
Another? No, those are just,
it is a little murky out in the middle, but at shore it's pretty shallow.
pretty, you mean
But-
deep in the middle.
Or like the water clarity towards shore
good.
is a lot better than it is out in the middle. But like literally, I was slow rolling that little spinnerbait. It's little. So that's the jig of choice. Shrub's throwing a little black and blue.
With a green pumpkin skirt.
No, I mean trailer. It's not even. It's like a blood. It's like a bruised.
It looks, yeah, that's
Yeah. It's like a. I don't even know what color it is.
Change my stance, yeah.
I don't know what the color of his trailer is, but I just took a little Strike King Hack Attack jig, and the top part I just trimmed the skirt, so it was a little 3/8 ounce jig, so just trimmed it down so it would have more of a little finessey action, and with a little rage tail. I don't even know what it's called, but it works. Yeah, we're gonna try and get the motor going, so we're not out here paddling for 10 years. So I'll see you guys hopefully at the next spot. We finally got her going. The motor's good. You just gotta have the choke like halfway out because this thing's
Right
a.
here, there's so many fish in these trees right here, I guarantee it.
Because we know there's fish up there. We're gonna make another move.
Oh!
What?
A huge Norn just missed it. A huge Norn. No. I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna reel it in. All I saw was, I felt a blow. Trevor, this bird's probably this small.
Okay, I'm throwing in there the spinnerbait.
Get in there. Oh, we're leaking gas. That's totally not what we wanted. Little guy. It's right over that fall. They're eating them on the fall.
I know.
They need trees.
May have to put a little Texas rig something. You know what? I'll put a little.
Big's doing me good.
Yeah. I'm gonna switch it up, see if they want something different. Hey, can you hand me my bag? I got a new bait that I'm gonna try. Have you ever heard of Vile Spawn? Got their Vile Craw. Look at that.
Nice.
Putting on a little Vile Craw from Vile Spawn. And the little weight that I have is a little tungsten weight with a skirt on it, a little black and blue. And then I'm gonna put on this little Vile Craw.
I know.
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
I gotta pull. Tip for you, they always come and the pinchers are all attached, so I'm gonna deattach them.
I felt that, like, I didn't feel if I heard that. That's pretty cool.
wasn't too close. It was more of my rod. Going.
Nice. That came off. No, he's still on.
Smoked it. My reel just about came off.
Where did you catch him? Like, just on the ground?
Yeah, I popped it though, and then I felt a thump, thump, thump. Just a little guy for you. Okay, we are in this back little cut. Shrub got his bait stuck in a tree, and there's literally a million fish back here. It's literally insane.
Here,
There.
From out that spot, so we can go back to his friend.
Okay, well, my GoPro's like about to die, but whatever.
Oh, there's just stuff down here.
Got one?
Yep.
Shrub's got one. Immediately. Is it a good one?
Oh,
Is that a female?
I don't know.
Let me see it. Is its tail red? Then it's a female. Oh, Shrub! It's a nice fish.
Just get him back.
He's good. His eye's good. There's Shrub's little one.
I feel so bad. I hate it. Is this one back in?
We're at the new spot. Motor was working good. I'm gonna pick up the little vial craw again, huck that around. We're just fishing more trees. We went back closer to the boat. You got one?
No.
We went,
It's not deep here.
I know. We're going back to the boat, the boat launch.
Okay, we're going backwards, not.
Yeah. Oh, Shrub. Motor would not work. Oh, got one?
Oh, no! That was a good one! It was a good one! Is it still on?
Yes!
No! No!
Fucking A, dude. Shrub just missed. Oh my god! That was a northern.
That's just all.
Here,
Oh, yeah, that's such a northern. That's
Here, let me see. That, he completely just busted the jig. That's probably that. Were you doing it the way that.
I literally, it plopped down and he took it. Oh, man.
Were you,
I set the hook hard on him.
were you doing it the way that.
Like, I was just working like a swim jig. Oh, now I have to give this jig some surgery. Oh, no.
New spot. New opportunities. It's pretty nasty though.
Be medium nasty.
It's shallow. You'd have to go like way out. Oh, I just missed one.
Might be a bed right there.
What?
There might be a bed right there.
Ooh, I might see that. He might have picked it up and spit it out. Because I popped it twice. Got him. Good one, dude.
Oh! Big northern. Don't both flip him. Don't both flip him. Oh, that might. He looked way bigger than it was. Here.
We got a northern on. Pop it.
I mean, there's nothing there to pop.
You pop it at the head.
There we go. Oh, come here. Oh, now he goes.
He's good. Well, that's what bit.
Oh, now he's off.
Yeah.
Oh man, there's a bed right. Picking up the spinnerbait. Don't have too much time to record. That could have been bad. Why did he die?
Oh, something just bumped it. Oh, I got one. Big bass. Wait.
Oh no, that's big one. That's a good size one.
Oh, dude. I didn't even know he had it. I'm like, oh, I think I have one. He just bit it and sat there. And I was recording too, and it was like my last. I got 6 minutes left, and my GoPro's about to die.
Oh no, don't.
No, I want to get a. There you go for you guys. Nice little northern.
That's pretty
Biggest one on a spinnerbait. Let's get a release on him.
Make sure that goes out.
Yeah, he's good.